Do you guys own a Daytona 660 and want to make it a little bit more aggressive? Well, one option that you guys have is actually buying some winglets that you're going to be joining me in installing to changing the front end just ever so slightly. Before any of the haters come and say anything, yes, this is not needed. This is fully cosmetic, but I guarantee you by the time we're done, you're going to want to do it yourself. So if you guys do, I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll leave the person who actually I bought this from. And let's go ahead and install these winglets. Winglets out of its packaging. Alrighty, to get these installed, it's literally going to be one bolt here and one bolt there, and then like I said, the 3M tape, and those bolts down here are actually this bolt right here, and then there's another one on the other side. So you're just going to want to take these out, and then it does come included with its own bolts right there that we're going to end up using for this. So let's go ahead and take those out, and then let's have it. We got the wings fully installed. We ended up using a heat gun to actually heating up those 3M pads, and right now I just came to my local park just to take some video and a quick picture. I don't plan on pushing this hard yet. I'll probably be adding some clips of me just riding the bike hard afterwards, just to give you guys some confidence that the 3M tape they do use is good and you guys can fully adhere to using it. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think? Is it a cop? Is it a pass? Is it something you guys don't agree with? Because again, it is a little bit jigsaw like putting winglets on a bike that doesn't need it, but I think it gives it a nice little aggressive feel. But let me know in the comment section below. And then once again, here we're gonna pull you up closer. Again, in my personal opinion, if you ask me, I think it gives it a little bit pizzazz to the bike that before the bike didn't have, just because, you know, it's just something different. So let me know in the comment section below again what you guys think. But as always, we're probably going to end the video here, or I might show some video of me actually riding the bike after I've installed this, just to give you guys confidence that you guys can do without any issue. But as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider liking, subscribing, and as always, you guys got to grind to shine. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out, and I'll talk to you later.